Welcome. Today, you'll discover how to quickly find all your friends' updates on the Facebook app when using your PC, even after the new design changes. Whether you want to catch up with recent friend activities or manage your friendships more effectively, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and clear for you. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all of your personalized features. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can find several important options for managing your Facebook experience. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a list of more detailed options. Find and choose Activity Log. This section is the hub for all your activities and interactions on Facebook. Now, inside the activity log, look at the menu on the left side or within the new navigation layout, depending on your version. Here, you'll see an option labeled Your Friends. Click on this to dive straight into your friends' updates. This section, Your Friends within the activity log, shows a timeline of all your connections and activity related to your friends. You'll see when you've added new friends, who you've connected with recently, and all interactions involving your friends. It's an effective way to keep track of your friendship history and spot any changes or new updates, all in one convenient place. If you want to manage or review specific friendships, you can use the filters and search tools available in this section for a more focused look. Whether you've got hundreds or just a handful of friends, this method ensures you don't miss out on anything important. That's it. You now know exactly where to find all your friends' updates on the Facebook app using your PC, even after the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who needs a little extra help navigating Facebook's newest features. Thanks for tuning in.